our principal sir and the directors are accompanying with Diksha sir. Sir, Yakesh sir, where is he? Sir, Yakesh sir, where is he? Yakesh sir. It's a language lab. Go for any kind of selfish activities you can to take it out. Go to your respective places. Thank you very much for your March past being amazing and focused by the chief guest. Paris to Paris. To this sir, because they have to be monitored by you only, sir. Mahesh Yod sir is also requested to come along with the other students that they have.
So here we go to the moments that we're introducing all for students.
Generally more acidic than the normal rain, and its pH value is below 5.5, so it's acidic. It's very harmful to us. So from factories, they release
Exploring their experience with our dear teachers. Eliminated the gathering, denied. The North Spring, a collective pursuit of winter, they promise.
Same answer, whether they are added or multiplied. అంటే ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేసినా మల్టిప్లై చేసినా ఒక నెంబర్ రావాలి.